Hello friend, welcome to KSI Data Research. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can build this dashboard by using the Power BI tool. So in my last video, I have talked about this and I already show how you can filter this video. If you click one of this country, top 10 countries population here, so if you can click on China, you will see the number of country, the rank on the number 1 out of 232 countries, and their population is 1.5 billion people, the highest in the world, and their area per square kilometer, and their people living per square kilometers. So their location and how the others, like top 10 countries by densities, and people are growing and some countries are declining. So all this information in this dashboard. So I talk about that, but I'm going to this video, I'm going to how we can build this. I'm going to show you step by step. All right, so let's open another instance. So this is another Power BI instance. So I'm going to build that dashboard. So first you can choose any wallpaper you want. So go to the format and go to the wallpaper, and you can choose any color you want. So I'm going to use the yellow color, this one right here. So I'm try to create the reproduce the dashboard I have shown before. So that's the one I'm gonna show exactly, try to do the mimic the one. So now first I have to create the title and logo. Any dashboard you create, you put the title and logo first. So we create the title, go to the insert, we're gonna create it from the text box. So where is the text box? I take it from and make it like this, and use the font you want. I will use 28, and bold, make it in the middle. So give the name world total population now. World total now. All right, so now we have to format this. So in order to format, you can go to the effects and you can give the color you want. I'm going to use color, and see the visual border, if it is off right now, so you can turn it on, and you can use the same color with a dark one if you want to give the border. And if you rounded up this, you have to use this to the rounded up on the corner. Okay, so now this is title. So now we wanted to put the logo also. So you can take the logo from the online. If you go to the image, Google image, and then you can download any one related to the population. So in order to bring it in, you have to go to the insert image. Okay, click the image, and they see I already download one, so I'm going to use this one. Open it. All right, so here's the logo. So now you can make a size, and you can put it in the corner, or if you wanted to put it on the top here, you can do that as well. So make it little bigger, this one. So I wanted to put it on the over here. Okay, so now see this one, it will give, can you give sometime hard time. So because this is overlay the visual to the another one, no? So if you see something is see I clicked and it is disappear. So what you have to do here, so remember that if you go to view and click the selection, see now you can see on the right side image and text box. So if you put it on the text box on the top, see like right now it's disappear. So if you put the bottom, then it will appear, but if you click it just goes away again. And another issue is if you move this, see it is not grouped together. So you can fix it everything by selecting the layout, and also you can group them. So if you just put it over here and then also select the visual both together and then right click and group them. Alright, so group them. So once you group them, see now it is grouped together. So now you can put anywhere, there's no problem. So it is not gonna disappear or anything like that. So that's how you can take care of the title and logo. So now we will going to create all these number of country, rank, population by country, area, population by square kilometer, all this information, individual countries. So if you click one of these, Albania, you're gonna see its rank 140, population, area, and like this. It's gonna be filtered everything. Alright, so we're gonna create first, and those are created by card, visual card. Let me show you how we're gonna do that. So here is the visual card. We're gonna use the card here. So click on this. Okay, so here's the card. So we're gonna use first number of countries. Okay, so we can bring the countries to the field. So if you bring countries to the field, it's gonna give you the name of the country, the first one, the first country. But we wanted to count, so you can just click the count, it will give you the count. So now we have a 232 countries in the world. Okay, in the world, like 232 countries we are dealing with right now. Okay, so we can give the titles and we can format this visual. So go to the format and click on visual value. Here is a 45. You can make it bold, and that is fine. So now see the country, count of country here. You can control by category label. If you turn it off, that is gonna go away. So if you turn it on, it can come back. So I'm gonna turn it off. Alright, so now go to the general properties. So each card I'm gonna create it, I'm gonna keep the same height. So I will give just 100 here. Okay, and the width I'm gonna make it depending on the size. Alright, so here, and then we will give the title, number of countries. Okay, so put the title on and give number of countries. Number of countries, COUN. Yes, countries, number of countries you can put in the middle. Okay, so now number of countries 232. So now you can go to the effects. Alright, so you're gonna change the color, background color, put the color, and also visual border, you turn it on, you can keep the same color, darker one, and then if you wanted to round it up in the corner, see, round corner, so you can give it to the highest, so it become highest round corner. Alright, so this is the number of countries. So now if you go here, the visual I created here, see that right besides this number of country, we have 1 2 3 4 5 more card is we have to create it. So we just don't want it to create it individually. So what you can do, just copy this one and paste it 5 times. 2 3 4 5. All right, so now we have to just give the value to each one. Okay, you can put it on the side by side. All right, so this is the number of country. Then we're going to start giving others visuals. So next one you're going to create it, the rank of population. So this is 232 is the highest rank, but it has different countries, different rank. So here we're going to have to use the rank to the place here. So we're going to use the max rank, we're going to use the rank, and then we're going to give the max. So bring to rank to the field, and if we right click, it is right now showing sum. We're going to create the max. Okay, so give it the 232, but it will change according to the country's rank. So we will give the, now we have to change the title also here. So go to the format and go to the general title, give the name here, rank population. UP, rank population. Alright, so this is rank. So next one we are going to create it, population by country. So population by country, we are going to use field in a, we're going to bring 2022 population, and we are going to give over here max, not the sum, max. Alright, so when you put the max, so that means China has the maximum population, so we have to give the decimal in order to show the right number. It is showing 1 billion, but they have 1.45 billions. So go to the format again, go to the call out values. Here is, we can give the decimal, 2 decimal. So it is going to be 1.45 billions, and this would be population by country. So we have to give the also title, go to the general title, here you have to write population by country, population by country. Okay, population by country. Alright, so come to the next one. Next one we're going to create area by square kilometer. This one is going to take more space. I'm going to keep it bigger. Okay, so we can also change right here, area by square kilometer. Area by square kilometer. Area by square kilometer. So we have to use area here. So go to the visual and bring it to the field area, bring the area. So this is 1 kilometer per square kilometer. So this is actually the last one. The Vatican cities has 1 kilometer only. So we will see on when we're going to filter, you'll see it, everyone is going to come the right number of peoples. So next one, we wanted to create also the population by square kilometer. So here we can have to bring the density over here, because we wanted to see population per square kilometer. So bring to the density over here into the field and go to the format, and we're gonna have to go to the first visual. Here is display unit, we'll say none, because we want to see the number of people are per square kilometer. General, go to the title, here would be population per square kilometer. Per square kilometer. Alright, so these are all the card. If you just create one, and then you can just modify all others. Here is the top one, is the number of countries, but here we wanted to do world population. We wanted to show the total population here. So what you have to do here, so just summarize all the values of 2022. So bring the values to the field, and it is already right click, you can see it is summarized already. So we just have to give some decimal, go to the format and go to the value. Here is you can write some decimal here 2. So this is 7.94 billion people in the world right now. So if you wanted to give the title also, so go to the general and turn it on the titles, and you can say, oh, it is turned on the titles, and you give the name world population, world population. Alright, so you can make it bold, and then if you wanted to disappear the card, or you can do that also. Go to the effects, and then you just give the transparency, and then you also go to the visual border, you can turn it up. So see, right now you can see it will not show the card background. Alright, so we just wanted to create another table for the country. So just click on the table now. Okay, so bring all the name country to the visual values. See all in name you can see here. Alright, so now if you go to the format, if you wanted to go to the values, will give you the, if you wanted to make it bold, you can make them bold, and also if you wanted to give title, you have to go to the general and make a title again. Here you turn it on and give the title here, name of countries, name of countries. Alright, so if you wanted to put it on the middle, you can put it on the middle, and if you wanted to give some background, then you have to go to the effects again. You can give any color you want, you can give the background also. So now you can see you can keep building like this also. So if you just wanted to filter any of those, Albania, so right now you can see is a 2.87 millions population by country, rank is 140, their square kilometer is 28.75, and then population per square kilometer 100 people living. So any country you can filter from the table or some other visual we are going to show in my next video. So please also wait for the next week. I'm going to put the next video in the following week. So I just wanted to finish here. So thank you for watching.